you know, continue. Give this video a like, you know, help me with the algorithm. Am I saying that right? Algorithm. I feel like I've just said it too many times and it just sounds like a fake word that I made up. Hello everyone, my name is Makayla MaShelle. If you're new here, and if not, then welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I wanted to show you guys how I got these gorgeous curls that I have been loving to do lately. I did them here in this video, and then I also did them in this video, as well as in these pictures. So I was like, you know what, let me go ahead and show them these curls, because you guys have asked me so many questions about this wig after all I did was post like a video on my Instagram story, and I was getting so many questions about where's this wig from, where's this hair from, is this extensions, this is what. Y'all, this is a wig that I made myself using Julia Hair. So Julia Hair Company actually sent me 4 bundles in the length 26, 26, 28, 28 with a matching 20-inch frontal, and this is their body wave hair. I hope that's right. I think it is their body wave, yeah, because I have to straighten this. Am I losing my mind? But anyways, so yeah, this hair was sent to me from Julia Hair Company. So far I really do enjoy the bundles. I made this wig using a spandex dome cap, and I used only the 28, 28, and a 26 with the frontal. I didn't use the full 4th 26, which I wish I had of. You guys know I typically stick with like 26 being my longest, not really 26. Normally it's like 24 being my longest, and that's with the wigs that I make myself. So I wasn't like thinking ahead to be like, girl, you need to really stuff these bundles because the hair is so long, you know what I mean? And then with the frontal being so much shorter, it just looks super full. And it's not that it doesn't look full, but like I just want it to be like va va voom, you know what I mean? So that's just something, an error on my part that I recommend you guys do if you guys are gonna make a wig yourself. But as far as the quality of the hair, I really love it, you guys. It does hold a curl well. I will say the longer pieces don't, just because of the weight of the hair, and then like with other hair being on top of it. But you know, that's like any hair, like even if you did your real hair, that's gonna happen. But as far as everything else, I haven't really experienced any crazy shedding. Actually, I really feel like I haven't experienced any shedding at all. So yeah, Julia, you get an A+ for that. So I really do like this hair. It is some hair that I would recommend to you guys. Alrighty, you guys, so that's all I really have to say about the hair, and I hope you guys enjoy the tutorial. Oh, I'm gonna show you guys my wig before I put it on my head. So here she is. So I already started curling her, as you can see. Now I left this main piece in the front to curl on my head. 1, to show you guys how I'm getting the curls, and 2, because I just like to curl my front pieces actually on my head, because it's a little bit easier for me and it just looks better. So yeah, oh, come on, Shaquille. Let me go ahead and start the process. Okay, so now I'm just gonna take all the pins out of my hair, and then I'm going to curl the top portion that I haven't curled yet.
I don't think I can let you go. I don't think I can let you go. Bet you love me before I go. Bet you love me before I go. I don't think I can let you go. I don't think I can let you go. Bet you love me before I go. Bet you love me before I go. Tell me what you want. Tell me what you need, baby. Tell me about your dreams.
Okay, so all of the pins are out now. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and curl the rest of my hair. And I'm not gonna brush anything out until the very end. Mind you, as I was curling the rest of it, I did spray it with my Big Sexy Hair Spray and Play. So you guys, I just want to pop in and say that the hairspray that I use in the video is some Big Sexy Hair Mess. Yeah. No, we're not rocking with that. I just got to be glued freeze spray. And me, A+. Okay, you see these curls? So much better. They're holding so much better than they did yesterday. And this is after I've had these curls in like all day. So we are using Got to Be. Don't be using that Big Sexy Hair Mask. Don't even. This cheaper anyway, so use this, okay? I'm pretty sure, I mean, don't use it on your real hair though, because I don't know if it fries the hair. I don't really know, but I'm gonna say use it on your weave. We'll use it on your wigs. So yeah. This is hot. Ooh, I'm crazy. Why did I do that? So you want to try your best not to really... Oh, wow. Okay, but you're going to try... Okay, you guys, you're going to try your best not to twist the hair as you wrap it around the barrel. Oops. And then I would just spray it with some hairspray, just like that. So that's what we're gonna just do to the rest of the hair. So you're gonna take your section and then wrap it around and try not to twist it as you wrap. So just try to like lay it flatly on the iron. And make sure you're curling it away from your face. And then just spray it with a little bit of hairspray. Oh, it's getting in my eye. Okay. I gotta think about how I want these to lay a little bit better. So if I wanted to, I'd be having to like kind of like do logistics in my head. Like, okay, if you want it to lay like this, then you should curl it like this. This little curl is really in the way. Alrighty, you guys, so now I'm gonna let these sit a little bit, and while I let them sit, I'm gonna go ahead and change and everything, and then I'll be back to show you guys the final look. Okay guys, so this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed and you guys like this style. If you do and you like the hair, be sure to check out Julia Hair. All of the information will be in the description box as always. And then last but not least, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on my post notifications, and follow me on Instagram at MaShelle. Bye.